Hey everybody, it's Chris from the Drone Company here with Justin Wyatt from YellowScan. Justin, first of all, really great meeting you, man.
Likewise,
absolutely.
man. Yeah.
And congratulations on winning the 2022 Droning Award for the LiDAR.
Thank you
fantastic,
guys. Yeah.
fantastic. So let's talk a little bit about YellowScan.
Sure.
You guys are known for precision LiDAR.
That's right.
Tell us a little bit about some of the solutions that have given you that reputation.
Yeah, well, all of our precision grade LiDAR systems have been designed purposely for surveyors and utility asset management professionals in the industry. We can get precision accuracy up to 2 centimeters.
Okay.
All of our systems can get up to 3 centimeters, so we're right in the range of high precision, high performance.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's about as good as you can get in the industry at this point. So you were talking a little bit about integration and how they fix into, especially fixed wing platforms. Tell us about how you accomplish that and what that does in terms of efficiency.
Absolutely. So one of the unique things about YellowScan as a company is that we don't just design payloads to be carried by drones. We're designing them to be embedded into UAV aircraft.
That's cool.
So like this is an OEM product called the Mapper. We have stripped it of its external components like a battery and all the superior fluff that you have to see when you carry from a multi-rotor, and really designed it to be in this really tiny, form factor that can be embedded into fixed-wing aircraft. So we have partners like Quantum Systems and Census who actually white label this into their drones, and it functions as an embedded system.
That's amazing. And in terms of your compatibility, we sort of talked about that. Can you talk about some of the brands that you are compatible with, what people can expect to do with your YellowScan LiDAR?
Yeah, absolutely. So we can integrate with every single rotary copter on the market. We work with Bobby Watts, we work with Harris Aerial, Skyfront, Inspired Flight, DJI. We're compatible across the spectrum. When it comes to the fixed wing aircraft, we can talk and work with basically any manufacturer, exchange engineering drawings, and then mount our payloads into their aircraft for design. Right now we're working with Quantum Systems and Census, but we have a lot of European distributors and aircraft manufacturers we're exploring with as well.
That's very cool. And in terms of your business model, I got to ask, because a lot of commercial entities really appreciate that customization, that customability,
Sure.
and especially with the fixed wing. What does that look like when they interact with you? If they have a solution that they need something configured a certain way,
Sure.
what can they expect from your team?
Yeah, so if it's not in our catalog, we'll absolutely meet with people and discuss if the integration makes sense. We get requests all the time for components that we don't have in our current portfolio, but we're willing to work with any manufacturer for any imaging system, any kind of power supply system. We can take those conversations up and integrate them.
Excellent. Now, last question.
Yeah.
If people want to find out more about YellowScan, what your systems do, where can they find more information?
Well, you can go to our website at yellowscan.com. We just redesigned the website. Interested to get feedback on it too. We think it's good. You can reach out to our sales team here in the United States. We have worldwide distributors that serve as our partners, and that's probably the best way.
Excellent. Justin, thank you so much for your time, man. Really appreciate
Cheers.
it.
Thank you.
Absolutely.